Hello everyone, this is Divya Gugatal and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous video and if you haven't seen it yet, go and check it out now. And in today's video, I'm going to share your book review of the book Beauty and the Beast adapted by Elizabeth Rednick. This Disney Beauty and the Beast book is an adaptation by Elizabeth Rednick. It is the novelization of the Disney film Beauty and the Beast, released in 2017 starring Emma Watson, Dan Stevens and Luke Evans. This has always been my favorite fairy tale, and I love traditional versions, retellings, and adaptations of which this book is the latter. It is a faithful adaptation of the Emma Watson version of the film. I really love how that film and this book really showed Belle as a strong character. She was brave, smart, and not afraid to challenge the status quo, and willing to fight for what was right. This version of the film and book offered so much more detail in big and small ways. One of the biggest was Belle's backstory and her relationship with her father. We learned more about Belle than we ever have. Outside of her retelling, I also enjoyed how we saw more of what the servants were before the curse, as well as a little more about the enchantress. Belle's relationship was with Beast in this version is also more solid, more real. You really see how the relationship grows and changes, how they learn to trust and learn to love. It's such a wonderful story. Elizabeth Rednick has gracefully adapted the tale as old as time. The book has so much detail that it felt as if I experienced the joy, heartbreak, laughter, and sorrow of all the characters. You may ask, what makes this book different from the original tale? To me, it is without a doubt a magical gateway to a fantasy world. This world has a beautiful enchantress, a cursed prince who was turned into his true inner beast, the staff of the prince who was transformed into talking and moving objects, and a heroine, different from other people. Belle is not the typical fairy tale princess. She is a modern and intelligent woman. Belle has dreamt of adventures like the ones she reads in her books, of traveling the world outside her small town. When Belle's father is captured, she takes his place as a prisoner of a fearsome beast. But life in the enchanted castle isn't as terrible as Belle imagines, and she ultimately finds friendship and love. Enjoy this tale as old as time about adventure and love, about looking past first appearances and about the inner beauty and beast in all of us in this beautiful novelization of the Beauty and the Beast film. Watching the live action adaptation filled my heart with so much happiness, not only because of the acting and singing, but how much there seemed to be. The novelization of this Disney movie does not cause the disappointment. Both Belle and the Beast's background stories are more developed, giving both characters more depth. Readers are able to sympathize more with the Beast and understand how he grew up to be an uncaring figure. Belle is also more unique in a village by being an inventor instead of her father Maurice, which I thought was wonderful. I also love that readers are given more in the development of the relationship between Belle and the Beast. They share a love for reading, they clean together and explore the gardens together. It is clear that Belle slowly chips away from the Beast's harness and in turn he opens himself up more than he has ever before. Young spirited Belle wants nothing more than to live life. She wants so much more than her small village can provide for her. She is constantly looked at and treated differently. When her father discovers a dark hidden castle in the middle of the woods, he is taken prisoner by a hideous and monstrous beast. Belle, being brave and loyal, takes her father's place as a prisoner, with secretly wanting to escape. However, as the time passes, the kind young woman begins to see something different within the mean beast. Belle begins the adventure of lifetime. Beauty and the Beast is my favorite Disney story, where a young woman wants more in her life. She doesn't fall for some typical handsome lad, but her heart opens to someone whose exterior is a bit frightening. In turn, his cold and distant heart warms her, and the two form a friendship, which turns to love. My favorite aspect was the non-princess main character, who is able to see past someone's outward appearance and find the beauty within. There wasn't this love at first sight, which seemed to have happened a lot in the earlier Disney movies. Overall, Beauty and the Beast is iconic. It sent such a positive and strong message that beauty lies within. The plot was fast moving, clear, and simply a joy to read. The themes were relatable and strong throughout the novel. Overall, it was such a joy to read Beauty and the Beast. There are many Beauty and the Beast movie tie-in books to choose from, but this novelization is my top choice for the readers looking to relive the magic of the film. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, do like, share and subscribe.